Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to optimize your Webflow site performance with a couple of foundational but super effective steps. If you're looking to make your website load faster, feel smoother, and give a better experience to your visitors, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a faster, more efficient site, and you don't have to be a tech expert to do any of this. Let's dive straight in. The very first thing you'll want to do is jump into your Webflow site settings. Now, this is kind of like your website's own control panel. It's where you can tweak the nuts and bolts that affect how everything runs behind the scenes. Look for the Publishing tab in your settings. Once you're there, scroll down and find Advanced Publishing Options. Don't worry if you've never touched this area before. We're just going to make a small but powerful change. You'll see an option related to site performance, usually worded as Minify code or something similar. You want to make sure this is turned on. What does this actually do? Well, think of your website's code like a big book. If there's a lot of unnecessary white space and extra notes, it makes the book slower to read. When you turn on this performance setting, Webflow automatically tidies up that code. It removes anything your site doesn't really need, condensing it down as much as possible. This code minification, as it's called, means your visitors, browsers can read your site faster, making everything feel snappier and helping your pages load more quickly. It's honestly one of the fastest wins for performance, and it only takes a few clicks. After you've optimized things on the Webflow side, let's take a quick look at your own browser, specifically Google Chrome, since that's what most people use. This next step is about making sure your computer is helping out as much as possible when viewing or testing your site. Go up to the three little dots in the top right corner of Chrome. That opens up your menu. From here, click Settings. Now on the left sidebar, you should see a menu. Look for System. Once you're in the System settings, you'll see an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. You want this turned on. If you're wondering why this matters, here's the deal. Enabling graphics acceleration lets Chrome use your computer's graphics hardware instead of relying just on the main processor. Imagine you're riding a bike up a hill, having someone give you an extra push makes it a whole lot easier and faster. That's the kind of boost this setting can give your website, especially for media-rich sites or when you're making edits in the Webflow Designer. And don't worry if you don't see a dramatic change immediately. This is a behind-the-scenes improvement, but together with the Webflow settings, it really does add up. So those are a couple of core optimizations that any Webflow user, even total beginners, can and should do. There are definitely more advanced techniques out there, but these steps cover your bases and will give your site a noticeable performance lift right away. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. It really means a lot to me. Got questions or want to share your own performance tips? Drop them in the comments below. And for more easy web tips and Webflow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.